I sent you a video a while back of the guitar on overdrive for this amp. Let me get the amp set up. Where am I going? There we go. Okay. This is the mandolin on overdrive. Sounds good on this amp.